Chapter 6 review, page 5. DEFG, well, we don't have a picture, so we'll draw a quick picture here. DEFG. So we're talking about the diagonals now. So in a rectangle, the diagonals are equal to one another. In a rectangle, the diagonals equal one another. So DF is going to be 5x minus 5, and EG is x plus 11. So we're going to set those two equal to each other. 5x minus 5 equals x plus 11. Subtract the smaller x. 4x minus 5 is equal to 11. Add 5 to both sides. So 4x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 4. All right, and then I got to find the length, coming back and reading it. So DF is going to equal 5 times 4 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is going to give me 15. And finding EG is going to be 4 plus 11, which is equal to 15. So they equal one another, so that's correct. Find the value of A and B. All right, so this shape looks like it is a trapezoid. So in a trapezoid, it looks like an isosceles trapezoid, but we didn't indicate that it was, so just a trapezoid, which means then I have parallel lines. These two are parallel lines, and then these two are same side interior. So that means when you add these two together, they equal 180. So I'm going to take 180, subtract the 36 from it, 14, 7, 14. So angle A is equal to 144. Again, parallel lines cut by a transversal, same side interior. So 180 minus 113 is going to give me 67 is equal to angle B. So don't get those confused again. Don't come and say that these two are equal because it didn't say it was isosceles. So the only thing you know is you have parallel lines. These two are same side interior. All right, next one. Angle 1, this is a kite. So these two sides are congruent. These two sides are congruent. These two angles are congruent. These two angles are congruent. And also in the middle here, everything is right angle. So if I know angle that this is 90 degrees and this is 39 degrees, then I can find angle 3. Angle 3 then is going to be 90, take away 39, and that's going to give me 51. So angle 3 is 51 degrees. Angle 2 is going to equal 90 degrees because that's in the middle. And then angle 1 is going to equal 39 degrees because this angle and this angle are equal to each other. So angle 1 is equal to 39. So there you go, 1, 2, and 3. Next one, angle R is 130. Angle S is 80. Again, put your numbers on your picture, it helps. So if S is 80, then U is 80. So I got to find angle T. So I know these three. I'm missing this one. This is a four-sided figure. So that means all the angles inside add up to 360. So 130 plus 80 and 80 is 160. So that gives me 290. Take the 360, subtract the 290 from that, and you get 70 degrees. So angle T is equal to 70 degrees. What type of quadrilateral has exactly one pair of parallel sides? A trapezoid. Okay, and then down here, give the name of the best description of the parallelogram and then find the measure of the angle. All right, so I would probably say, because all sides are congruent, I would probably say this is a rhombus, and by the shape, I would say it was a rhombus. So now let's go see what's going on. This is an isosceles isosceles triangle. So this is 100 degrees. So 180 minus 100 is going to leave me with 80 degrees. Now, each one of these angles can't be 80, because if this is 80, that's 160, and that's 100. So I got to divide this by 2 because it's an isosceles triangle. So when I take this and divide it by 2, I get 40. So angle 3 is 40 and angle 2 is 40. And now those all add up to 180. So angle 1 is going to equal 40. Angle 2 is going to equal 40. Angle 3 is going to equal 40. And angle 4 is going to equal 40. Which means then it's a rhombus. And then opposite angles are equal to one another. So this angle over here is 100.